This is the last scenario using the for loop. And we are doing somewhat real use case, we are trying to do it. What we are trying to do is here, sending the mail to multiple users from our Gmail account. Whatever Gmail you have it, from our Gmail account to multiple users at a time, we are sending using the Python program. Using Python program. So I have here SMTP lib. This is a library inbuilt. Okay, it is a service to send the mail and get the password. Password generally we are typing it on the keyboard. You have to get the star right. It's not the. It should not visible to the others. It should not visible to the others. To get that kind of star, get pass is the inbuilt package is available. It will be masked your letter with the star kind of thing. Now, list of mails we have to send it, that we are going to note it down here. Okay. Then I'm trying to get the password from the user I'm getting in the runtime. In the runtime, I'm getting the password. Just we're giving the print statement, sending the mail like this. Then for loop, we are running against to what? Against to this list. How many mails are available here? That length we are calculating. What is the length of this one? 2. The 2 will be coming into the range. Range of 2 means what? 0 and 1. First time I equal to take the 0. Second time I will take the 1. 2 times this for loop will be running. How many times? 2 times this for loop will be running. That's what our goal. Then SMTP required. What is Gmail SMTP server details? This you can get it in the Google. You can get it. And this is a port number what Gmail has to configure. So this is fixed values. We have to pass it. That is not in our hand. Gmail is working based on that port number. Now we are trying to say start our list. I am trying to log in using my ID, and we are going to password P. We are going to pass it what we captured here from the user. In the runtime, we are going to capture this P. Then message we are sending as message. You need to send whatever information you want to write here. You can go and you can write here. Okay. Test mail passed. Something like this I am trying to write here. Now send the mail to the mailer ID. Send the mail to the mailer ID. With the list is this one, and whatever we have the message is this is what the message we are trying to pass it. Finally, we are quitting and we are saying as mail sending is completed. And one more problem is, you can notice here I given one note point. What is the note? It is application level password. If you don't have, please generate it. If you don't have, generate it. It's not the regular password. Okay, Gmail provided application level password is provided. Generally, what is the problem? Nowadays, we have the 2 steps of the authentication. One is your password. Second is one code also coming to your mail, right? Mobile mail. That code you have to pass it. So, but whenever we are interacting with applications, I will not be available to pass this code over there. That's the reason they given application level password. You can generate it. How to generate it? Just Google it. You'll get it. In my case, already generated. I kept in my drive. I kept here in the E drive. It is available in somewhere. It is available in the E drive. So if you go to the E drive, I have your password. This is what the some password what I generated. Application level password. I generated this one. Don't share that password also to anyone, because using that one programmatically they can connect to your Gmail. They can able to do whatever they wanted. They can able to do it. Now let us go and try to execute the same thing. I am executing now. The moment I executed, what is asking here? Please enter password. Already I generated application level password that I am trying to provide here. Instead of giving here password, it is giving what? Stars it is giving, because we used what is this? Get password module. That module will take care of encrypting this one. Then if I enter, If I enter, then it's saying as sending the mail, it's saying this is a statement what you written. Sending the mail, it is writing. Now, after once it is completed sending the mails, finally it is printing. What is printing? Sent mail is completed. If sent mail is completed, if I go to my Gmail, if I go to my Gmail, because RRI Tech mail I sent it right, you should see one mail is came from our application. One mail is came from our application. Let us go and try to observe it. It is opening. Why it is taking this much time? Okay, you can see what is this? I didn't return the subject line. That is the reason it's saying as no subject. But I given the body part. What I given? Test mail passed. I given right. That's what we got here. Test mail passed. Body part it is coming. Test mail passed is coming in the body part. It is coming. So if I have the requirement, simple. Let us say I have to send the mail to my all students at one time. I don't want to send one by one mail. What I can do, all I need to do is I need to copy mail IDs into this list, right? I have to keep all the mail IDs into this list. Then if I run this program, here whatever body I want to write it, I can write that body and I can send at a time to all my students, I can send it, right? So it is simplifying your life or not? It's simplifying your life. Even this mail IDs, you can configure in the notepad also. From the notepad, I can read it. We know now Pandas package is available. There is a read CSV function is available. You can read that one by one mail. So in that way, we are going to automate it. What I am trying to say is your for loop is helping you to send one by one mail ID or not. Now we observed RITech mail ID got the mail. Second, it will send to what? DW Ramred also. If you go and try to log in with the DW, go and try to log in with that ID. In that also, you might got mail already, right? In that also, you might got already the mail we got it. Let us go and try to observe really you received the mail to the DW Ramreddy also or not. It is loading. Some reason Gmail server is a bit slow or my internet is slow. Now you can notice it's came or not. You can notice it's came. I'm able to see no subject again because both the mails has the same kind of thing. Now you can able to observe it is opening. It's too slow. Okay. At what time it is came? Just 8:15. It came the mail, right? So you can observe 8:15 a.m. This mail is came. That is 3 minutes ago. This mail is came. So your for loop, whatever available, it is helping you mails one by one or not. If I have one more mail ID, can I go and can I keep here? I'll send the mail also. So that's how your for loop is going to help you in reality. Okay, please practice this one. With this one, I completed basic level of Python. We know now how to write line by line of code. In the next session, we'll try to see advanced level of Python. This is a second level in our data science entire course. We know already in data science course, we have the 6 levels of training is available. We are doing the first level. First level is completing now. And tomorrow we'll try to start with the second level. Out of all levels, first level only small level, remaining all levels has more chapters comparatively first level. Thank you. We'll meet in the next level. Thank you.